Hey guys, just wanted to share some interesting stats with you. I'm going to unpack these a little bit. Now these are statistics taken from Cotality. Now Cotality is one of the leading property databases and they compile all the information of what's going on in the Australian property market. And some interesting figures there, and certainly it shows that the market is still very much strong and very much growing. So over the last year, capital city dwelling price growth is up 11.5%. in the lower quartile. Now the lower quartile is considered the 25% most affordable properties, the upper quartile being the top 25%, and that's grown 6.6%. Now looking at places on the Sunshine Coast, that lower quartile, for example, Nambour is in that category. Now they've had growth of 17% year on year. Cotality also looks at these figures, so capital city growth over the year of about 11.4%, whereas regional areas certainly a higher level of growth at 17.5%. Now we know there's an RBA meeting happening. By the time you're listening to this, it may already have been announced. Now whether they increase the rates up or hold them, undecided at this moment, but potentially they'll go up, and that'll obviously cause some more caution and uncertainty in the marketplace, and that changes consumer behavior, right? So that should have some level of impact on the property market. But from the last rate rise, we haven't really seen much of a change. What's also interesting is that lending's quite a bit up as well. So we've seen lending increase by 7.9% over the December quarter, and that's up 31.8% over the year, and that's for investors, accounting for about 40% of that. So investor numbers are definitely up as well, which we've seen personally with the inquiries that are coming into the office here. First home buyer lending has risen also for the December quarter, and they account for about 30% of owner-occupier lending. And what we've seen, again, new listings, low. The national average is now 4% below the 5-year average, and in some areas it's much greater than that, and I believe here on the Sunshine Coast the figures would be much higher than that as well. So just wanted to share some quick stats from the Cotality housing chart pack. Reach out guys if you're buying or selling. If there's anything we can help you with, we'd love to assist.